So iPhone 17 has just launched and I just pre-ordered mine, but it hasn't arrived yet. So I went to Taobao and bought two accessories. One is a screen protector and another is a stand case. So now let's start with the unboxing. So as you can see, it comes with an applicator, and it's also comes with the installation package where it contains, I believe, the cloth and the alcohol wipes. Just to show you guys how it looks like. It comes with two guides that simply attach to these two little hinge at the top. And then, if I'm not mistaken, you just need to pull this down and then it will automatically apply to your iPhone. So yeah, everything is written in Chinese, but I think it's pretty simple and straightforward. I will do another video that we explain more about this. So now let's proceed with the stand case. So the stand case that I bought today is the O1S matte stand case. So nothing much, just a box. Oh yes, cool. They come with some stickers. Yeah, that you can apply to your case or anywhere you love. Let's have a look at the case itself. So this is the case. This is how it looks, and I think it has a design by Torras, and this is a Mega Mag, which they claim that have boosted the magnetism of it, and it supports MagSafe. And this is the stand that I mentioned about, where you can twist and turns around. But unfortunately, it's quite flimsy and it's kind of fragile. Not sure if this is going to break easily. This is my first time buying from Torras, because in Taobao, in Xiaohongshu, a lot of people have mentioned about this brand, and they have given us a lot of praise about it. So I hope it will last. It feels great. No fingerprint smudges. Yeah, and I think it is thick enough. It has the the camera control as well built in, I think. So yeah, these are all the little accessories that I bought today from Taobao for my iPhone 17 Pro Max.